Hi guys! Oh, we got Bean in the house. Ow! Welcome back. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. But today we're going through my clothes. As you can see, I have a lot. We're gonna try to fix that today. I've got my liquid motivation / personality. And we're gonna get through this. I am getting over COVID. I have been home since last Tuesday, and it's currently the next Monday. So I've been home for quite a while, and I have been trying to keep myself occupied. Here we go. Let's see. I can't wear this anymore. I don't need this. I need something to put these in. Alright. This should be good. We'll start with this. Cause let's be honest, y'all. This is probably 5 years old at least. At least I'm not even gonna try to fit in this. $5 if she gets in. I'm gonna keep the hangers up here so I can count how many things I sorted through. Stop it. Also very old. I will not be wearing this. No thank you, Bean. No thank you. Another no. Okay, no, we're not doing this today. You have plenty of things to do in the house other than aggravate my stuff. No, ma'am. No thank you. No thank you. Got this from Dollar General a couple years ago. It's not a vibe anymore. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I'm keeping this. I can count on one hand how many times I've worn this shirt. It's gotta go. This shirt is also very old, and I don't wear it anymore. It's gotta go. Like, my goal today is not to reorganize this, because I feel like it's pretty organized. I just don't want the bars to sway in the middle like they do. I want to wear this, I just can't bring myself to. Like, honestly, I love Monet, but I'm not gonna wear this. This is on this hanger. That's how long you know it's been since I've worn these. Because I like for most of my hangers to match. No, gotta go. What was I thinking? Like, honestly, what was I thinking? I hate to part with this, but it's way too tight now. One of my exes got me this for my 21st birthday, and I have loved this shirt dearly. But the clothes are made to fit me. I'm not made to fit the clothes. It's gotta go. Haven't worn her in years. And don't worry, I'm not taking any of these anywhere today. I will wait like a week before I take these anywhere. Another plastic hanger. This is just screaming like 2016, 2017. I love her, but I don't wear her. I think I've just held on to so many of these things just for the nostalgia of it. Like, a lot of these clothes I got at my old job when I was in retail while I was in college, And I think it's just taken me this long to move past that part in my life. I don't wear her. She's small. I don't go anywhere to wear her. It's a child size. Like, I don't go out and do things. I don't need that. No thank you. No thank you. This is giving like mom on vacation in the Hamptons vibes. No. I'm very proud of myself for doing this. That or either I am just feeling manic. Love that for me. It's giving, let me show you to your table. Because I used to host at a restaurant. I hope I'm gonna be able to sleep tonight. I can't decide if it's giving oatmeal or Croaker sack. For anyone that's not southern, that is like a burlap bag. It's giving very cringy, like Stupid Wrinkles, early 2010s, like my first coffee. No. And why is this so thin? Like, Target, I love you, but why is this so thin? I love a good lumberjack plaid, but the way this is cut, let me show you. Like the way this is cut, I don't. My armpits don't go down that low. Ugh. Oh my gosh, do y'all remember those massive Batwing shirts? Like, it was just like, no. And I remember my skinny little self wearing shirts like that. And mind you, I was like 20 pounds lighter than what I am now, so you can imagine. Cat break. Cat break over. I thought I was hot stuff. Let me tell you. When I got this, I'm very glad that I can't find any of my old pictures from this era. Because it was not it. Can we... Beetlejuice. That or, like, old-timey state prisoner. No. We all had a era in our lives where we were utterly obsessed with this show. But my goal is to get through the rest of this closet. This might be a this might be like a 2-day ordeal. Onto the sweatshirts. Okay, but y'all, I'm not getting rid of this, but can we talk about her? She's gorgeous. No ma'am, no ma'am, cat in the basket, cat in the basket. The only regret I have is painting the cuffs. Because I can't push it up on my, not my shoulders, on my arms now. We love her. I highly doubt that I fit in this anymore. Oh god. Negative ghost. Someone's new obsession is eating Kleenexes. And since I've been sick, I've been using a lot, and she's learned how to get them out of the trash can. The one with the lid on it. The little cardigans from Teacher Bailey era. I feel like more of the jackets are from Teacher Bailey era. And the shirts that I'm getting rid of are from College Bailey era. Same clothes, different day. I'm not as caffeinated as I was yesterday, and I can tell. I am gonna keep like some of these, like teacher dresses, you know, just in case. But I'm not gonna keep all of them. I've had her, just making sure she's clean. I've had her for a long time, And I usually just wear her to the beach, but she is looking more like a tank top now than a dress. Who am I kidding? Where? Why? Honestly, the dresses weren't that bad to go through. You came in? Yay! Okay. Little baby. Oh, she's hurt. What happened? Alright. Oh, Bean, are you gonna help me? Are you gonna help me? Huh? We need scissors. Baby. Wait, is this considered an unboxing now? Because I'm opening the box. Here, Bane, here's some reading material. Ooh, we've got a Fenty Beauty mascara. We love that. Ooh, we have an all-day moisturizer from Ahava. Okay. Ooh, I've been needing this. We have a body scrubber. I want to open this. Thank you for the help. What's this look like? Okay. Oh, I like this. So now I can feel like one of my dishes, because this is what my dishwashing thing looks like. But no, it's really soft. I like it. Let me go trash. Ooh. $40 off Daily Harvest. Keeping that. Let's see. Ooh, we have a matte lipstick from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Let's see what color this is. Ooh, she's pretty. Oh my gosh, I love good smelling lipstick. I'm a sucker for it. Absolutely great. Absolutely great. What is this? Ooh, candle! Sea salt and citrus. Perfect for summer. You've got a little bag. Oh my gosh, it's like... Is this what I think it is? Oh my gosh, it's that neoprene material. And I love that. Like, I know this was meant for the beach, but I kind of want to make this my new gym bag. Another bag? This is satiating my need almost to go to Target because I can't go anywhere. But she's cute. And she's got like the little thing. What is it called? I don't know, but it looks like a chest piece to keep it closed. Alright, Bean. The box is for you, little babies. Are you cooking? I don't know. That was not sponsored. I do have a yearly membership and I love my FabFitFun boxes. We now have a bean in a bag. Ooh, bean in a bag, bean in a bag. When you pop out your little head. Woo! I think for the most part I am going to keep a lot of my skirts without trying them on. But I am gonna, I'll keep it. We're getting rid of Miss Ma'am. She's old. She's old. No, I need that. Well, I need it. I'm gonna keep it over there for the hanger count. But this, no, 2015-14 like Tumblr era. Not my vibe anymore. I was once a Lily girly. And I am no longer a Lily girly. Not for me. Not for me. Okay, this is old. And I thought I was going to need to be covered in cat hair. Businessy. I don't know. We're gonna keep her. I took these shoes from my mom when I was 12. Am I too close? 12. These shoes are 13 years old. And honestly, they look it. They've got to go. If you haven't noticed, Bean is absolutely wild. What cat does this? If your cat does this, please let me know so I feel less alone in the destroyed shoe club. Grand total of 50 hangers that have been emptied. 14 pairs of shoes. The bag of stray hangers, I've had that for a while. But y'all, let me back up so you can see this a bit better. Look at that, oh my gosh. All those hangers, there's so much stuff. Yeah. Thanks for watching me go through all of my crap. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and oh my gosh, what was the question of the day? Comment down below what the last thing you bought was. Bye.